Romeo, Juliet, Tango, Tango, via, Bravo, Uniform, Zulu, Alpha, 4, Juliet, 4,000 feet. When ready to start. Juliet, Lima, 40178, Redback is correct. Ground, Bravo, Alpha, 49253, good day. Bravo, Alpha, 49253, you are cleared to Q Lima, Alpha, X-ray, via, Charlie, Papa, Tango, 5, Juliet, 4,000 feet, contact when ready to start. Cleared to Kilo, Lima, Alpha, X-ray, via, Charlie, Papa, Tango, 5, Juliet, 4,000 feet, when ready to start. Bravo, Alpha, 49253, Redback is correct. Reached parking area, switching off. 9, Echo, 04949, Roger. Good day. Reached parking area, switching off. Golf, Foxtrot, 00153, Roger. Good day.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway, 09, right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway, 09, right. Flaps. Flaps.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Charlie, X-ray, 79186, ground, landed at 09, report runway vacated. Ground, Charlie, X-ray, 79186, runway vacated, request taxi to gate. Charlie, X-ray, 79186, continue taxi to gate. Will go.
Ground. Holding point runway, 0.9 right.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.500. Tower. Good day. Holding point runway 09 right. Ready for departure.
Wind 208 degrees, 5 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Tower.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Juliet, Lima 40178 Tower. Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Tower. Juliet, Lima 40178 leaving 3,000 feet. Juliet, Lima 40178 airborne at 12. Contact radar. Roger. Contact radar. Tower. Juliet, Lima 40178
80 knots.
leaving